I've had an excellent experience with Dentacay from start to finish. From the staff, the drivers, the dentists, everyone has been so friendly and so accommodating. As far as price goes, it's been so competitive. To get all the work done in Ireland, it would have cost me 4 times as much, and I was told I needed a lot more work done than I actually needed. So I'm so glad that the dentists were truthful and have given me such a beautiful smile. My name is Grace and I'm from Ireland. Thank you, Dentacay.